everybody out there, my name is Joy of Joy Morris Beauty, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Sephora Cream Lip Stain collection. And I have two of them here because I'm going to be giving away one of them, so stay tuned so that you can learn how to win this lip stain collection. So I always feel really bad when I get new makeup products because I love pretty packaging, and sometimes I let something sit for a couple days and like keep it in its little cute little bag and just look at the packaging because I don't like to mess it up. But I'm gonna have to go ahead and crack these babies open so I can see how they look. So let's crack it open. Okay, so I'm starting with, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the lighter shades, and I'm going to work my way down to the deeper shades because I'm going to be trying them on back to back, and that'll be a little easier for me. Okay, so this shade is called Pink Lollipop. Now, I like pink lollipops, but I don't know if this pink lollipop's going to look good on me, but we'll try it. Let's see. I'm going to get my trusty NYX pencil in the color brown. And I already lined my lips a little bit. I'm going to line them a little more. Let's see. And we'll try it and see what it looks like. Ooh. Well, you know, it's really light, but what's helping it is that it's very sheer. So I thought this was not going to look good on me, but this is actually not that bad looking. This is actually a pretty nude. So in terms of a base, I did have a little bit of foundation on my lips. Just acting as like a bit of a nude, so I guess I did kind of change the color a little bit. Then I had my brown lip liner on it. So I guess that's a little bit of a hack for this color already. You could kind of customize the nude, make this nude work for you and your complexion if you take your foundation and put it on your lips kind of like I had, and then whatever lip pencil you normally use. So then this is sheer enough that it's just kind of creating like a soft metallic wash over your lips. It's actually not that bad looking. I'm not sure how it would photograph. You know, I think if you do too many layers, that might be a bit too much, because I think that extra layer I just put on, I'm not completely confident about that. But just to put like 1 or 2 layers on, if you're looking for a really sheer lip, it might not be that bad. The next shade that I'm going to try is, this is called Alter Ego, which is like a lighter nude pink. So let's see what Alter Ego looks like. Oh, okay. It is definitely a light pink, but it's the type of light pink I think that will look nice on a lot of people. Yeah, so this almost reminds me of NYX Abu Dhabi, like a really pretty matte nude pink that this would look nice on a lot of people. This would really pop on women of color's complexion. This is really pretty. This next one is called Vintage Rosewood. So this is right up my alley because this is kind of like in the color of my favorite lip shades, which are kind of like mauve-ish type of nude pink. So I can already tell I'm gonna really like this color. Oh yeah, this is so pretty. Yeah, this is pretty. So I'm wiping some of the excess product off so that I can line my lips. God. Okay, I think already I know which one is my favorite. I really like this one a lot. I like this vintage rosewood. This is really pretty right here. Okay, so this next one is another one of the metallic ones. This one is called Metallic Cherry. So we're going to see what this looks like. I usually like darker metallic shades, so let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, that's different. Kind of like the lighter, the pink Lollipop. It's kind of sheer. So if you just wanted to do this one layer, you could get away with that. But I'm gonna leave the outer one the outer layer a little sheer and put a little more color on that inner layer. I could see this being really nice, like a nice party lip. Okay, so this one is called Blackberry Sorbet. It's kind of like a plum color. So let's see what this one looks like. This looks like this one is really pretty too. I really like the shades they put in this collection. Oh yeah, this is so pretty. Yeah. So this is a great collection of shades. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, all these shades. I'm gonna be wearing all these shades. Okay, and this is the last one from the collection that I'm gonna try. Well, this is the last one. It's called Always Red. And this is like one of those classic reds that I could see working on a lot of people. So we'll see what it looks like on me. Let's see. It's a really pretty bright red. It reminds me of Stila Beso. Is the color that I usually wear when I want like a really bright red. This reminds me of that color. Okay, well, thank you for tagging along for this review video. In summary, just wanted to say that I do really like this range, this collection in particular. I think Sephora did a great job of picking out a wide range of shades that would look nice on a lot of different people. So if you want this extra set, go ahead and look into the details for the giveaway so that you can figure out how to toss your hat in a ring. Or no, that's not how you say it. Toss your name in the hat. I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say. So if you want to participate in the giveaway, make sure to check the description box for more details, and may the best one win, or no. Good luck. Good luck, all right? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for checking out my video. Please make sure to subscribe and also sign up for my mailing list so you can find out what exciting things I have coming up. Take care and stay tuned. Bye.